So we are in Asheville, and we just stopped at Vortex Donuts, and most of their donuts are vegan. Look at this, guys. Yep, this is all for me and Kevin.
So Cindy asked me how long we thought they would last, and I said maybe a couple hours. Then I realized she was talking about freshness. Anyway, these are going to be good.
Yeah. Hey guys, Kevin and I are right outside of Asheville off the Blue Ridge Parkway. We are taking a trail called Bent Creek. Kevin's unhooking the sway bar links right now, and it should be fun.
Alright, as Cindy said, it's Bent Creek Trail. It's Forest Road 479, and it's about 4.3 miles. It's rated 2 out of 10, so it's considered an easy trail. And I think it's just a typical maintained forest road, but we're gonna follow it and see where it leads us.
I'm seeing a lot of hiking trails. I think they're heading down toward the creek. We may have some water crossings on this trail. We'll find out. It's a pretty good drop off down there. Also, we've been seeing a lot of mountain bikers, so it must be a popular trail for mountain biking. So we have gone about 3.4 miles so far and have about a mile left. And so far, this road's been very mild, and although pretty and easygoing, that's kind of describes it, with a lot of mountain bikers. We need to look for something a little more adventurous.
Sorry, sweetie, I had to.
New day, new trail. We just came off of I-40, heading west toward Canton, and got off on a little side street here on Hurricane Creek Trail. This trail is supposed to be a little more challenging. To get onto this trail off of the highway, it is a very sharp right-hand turn with a lot of fast traffic when you make your turn.
So I just aired down the tires to about 25 psi, so I didn't air down too much. It's a moderate trail. It's a 4 out of 10. I think there's a few areas where it might get a little tricky, but it should be a lot of fun. It's 6.3 miles is how long the trail is.
And Kevin will probably be doing most of the driving on this trail, since I had so little driving experience in the Jeep so far, and I'm not sure what to expect. I'm a little nervous, actually.
It should be fun, but we also saw some videos where they said there's no real place to turn around. So you pretty much, it's a one direction trail. And
it's a straight drop off down there.
Yeah, straight drop off, right. But it should be fun. Lots of water crossings from what I saw.
I think it'll be pretty too. Nice campsite right over here, just before our first water crossing. Kevin's going over to inspect first. What do you think?
Oh yeah, we're good. And I think we're still on the easy stuff.
All right, Kevin wants me to walk across here. so I can get video of him crossing. And it is not going to be a warm water. It is quite cold. And now I'm gonna have wet shoes. Oh my God, is it cold for the rest of the day. That's all right. Oh my gosh. It's up to my shins. Oh. So it's not that deep. Good solid surface, rocky.
Crawled right up it.
Another really nice campsite right here on the water. Smells like somebody was just here too. You can smell the smoke from the fire pit. The trail continues on up that way.
Cindy decided to get out and hike the trail because she enjoys hiking, and she said she can see more when she's walking. There's the bus. You're getting a workout.
Yeah. You can thank me later.
It's been about an hour, and we've gone 1.5 miles on this 6.4 mile trail. But we've been stopping a lot and getting some, doing some filming and stuff. But it's too amazing not to stop and look at the different sights and things. So we'll see. We're gonna keep heading up the trail.
Yeah, I'm getting used to the cold water.
I figured you would.
So you can see we're right here on the map, and we're about to make this turn. That away. Tight squeeze.
Okay.
All right, this is going to be a bit of a challenge for him here. We'll see how it does. He did it.
I love my Jeep.
That was great.
That was awesome. So we're at 3.6 miles. We're about 2 hours into the trail, and it's been a blast. I'm really happy with how this is going.
Kevin's up there inspecting the situation.
This one's gonna be a little tough.
All right, this is what he's looking at. Quite a drop. Okay, come forward just as you are, about 2 feet. All right, now start turning toward driver. Toward driver. Okay, keep coming. Okay, keep coming toward driver. You're good, keep coming. Turn. Passenger, passenger. Good. So I can imagine on a really rainy day that this could get very slick through here. I'm sure the water tries to run down these hills through these ruts.
Oh, this is the V-notch ruts they talked about.
Oh my gosh. You want me to do this?
Yeah, I want to stay to the right. So we are at about 5 miles on the trail, and there's a Y here. The road goes off to the right and also goes off to the left. We want the one that goes to the left. We started taking the one that goes to the right because I got turned around and you can see it wasn't on the trail anymore. So we're gonna go the one to the left, and that should be the correct way.
What an awesome trail.
That was awesome.
Now, how do we get out? Seriously, how do we get out?
We'll figure it out. I want to sit here for a few minutes. So Hurricane Creek, that trail is awesome. I definitely recommend it. It's definitely a 4x4 trail. A two-wheel could possibly do it if they had good clearance and maybe a locker in the rear or something. They would probably not have any issue doing it. But that trail is a lot of fun. It's a great trail for someone that's new to off-roading, that is used to doing easy trails and wants to get into a more moderate trail. It's perfect for that.
It's a gold trail for me.
So that means we're coming back up here again sometime, which will be fun.
It'd be fun to camp off this trail.
A lot of camp spots on this trail. A lot of the little water crossings. There's a few bigger water crossings. Some of the smaller ones may not, certain times of year, maybe they're dry. Yeah, I'm not familiar with this area, but overall, the trail is pretty amazing. A lot of neat stuff. The bus was cool.
Yeah, I like the bus.
That was kind of neat.
There's a cool patina on there. You know,
Yeah.
it's the artist in me.
But yeah, so I did it in a 2021 Jeep Wrangler JLU. I have a 3.5-inch metal cloak lift with 35-inch tires. Then I have a lunchbox locker in the front. It's an Aussie locker, I guess they call them. But it definitely helped in some of the spots, crawl over things. And when I got the Jeep, this is exactly the type of trail I envisioned. You know, nothing too crazy, but something that, you know, it helps to have a little more capable vehicle to go on. It was a lot of fun.
It was. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was great. So we did do this trail solo. We didn't have anybody with us, but I do have a winch, and there's...
You meant another Jeep.
I meant another Jeep. I said we.
I know. I'm just giving you a hard time.
Anyway, I do have a winch, and there's a lot of winching spots, so I wasn't too concerned if we got hung up somewhere. I knew we could get out. And we do have GMRS radios, and then you had the Garmin, so
Yeah.
we weren't too concerned about, and it's a popular trail, so we knew, if nothing else, somebody would be coming along behind us at some point.
And I brought all my backpacking equipment just in case we ended up hiking.
Yeah.
Because I'm like that.
Which is good. You never
Yeah.
know. But yeah, I wanted to mention that. So if you come out here and you're by yourself in a vehicle and you have a winch, you'd probably be better off. There are a few spots where you slip and slide a little bit if you don't have a locker. So, but overall, it's a great trail, and I would definitely recommend it.
So we've aired back up. Now Kevin is reconnecting the sway bar links. I have sway bar links that we just purchased for my Jeep, and we're going to be installing those in an upcoming video. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you'll do so you can see everything that I have planned for my Jeep as I make it an awesome overlanding vehicle.
All right, so when we left the Hurricane Creek Trail, we took a left on Max Patch Road, and I believe this is going to work us around to another paved road that's going to get us to 40. Oh. All right, so we just came down Max Patch Road for a little while, and we came up to an intersection with Cold Springs Creek Road, and I think that's the road we're going to take to the left here, which is going to wind down and take us out to Highway 40, Interstate 40, and then from there we'll get back to the campsite.
Looks like we're headed the right way. So we are back at the RV, and this is our last night here at Gorgeous State Park in Sapphire, North Carolina. If you watched the last couple videos, we showed you around this park a little bit. We showed you the campsite here, which you can see a little bit behind me, and we walked the Turtleback, it was the Rainbow Falls to Turtleback Trail, and then we got to see some gorgeous waterfalls, and the trail itself is just beautiful. Nice hike. If you like hiking, you gotta go see that video. Yesterday, we went into Asheville and got those vegan donuts. That was a big highlight for us because where we live, it's hard for us to find vegan donuts for some reason. So the trail that we started yesterday wasn't as satisfying as we thought it would be, and then today made up for it. That trail, Hurricane Creek Trail, was amazing. We loved it. So what a great way to end this trip. Tonight we are just gonna sit by the fire and relax, and then pack up because early in the morning we're headed back to Florida. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this one. Right now I'm working on my own Jeep conversion. I am making it into a camper overland vehicle so that I can take it out on some solo trips and then get out with Kevin on some trips together where we are doing a little Jeeping ourselves. So until next time, bye guys.